Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials. And in this today's video we are going to continue with video number 5, I suppose. Okay, and this is with regard to ICSE curriculum. And once again let me tell you that we are doing ICSE maths for the 7th grade students. So let me write that for you. ICSE for 7th grade. Okay, this is for the 7th grade students of ICSE. Subject is maths, and the topic is of course profit and loss, which we are already into. And I'm trying to cover some questions on this profit and loss for the 7th standard grade, so that the concept gets clear to the students, right? So in this series, this is the next question. So this is say question number 1, and it says Rama bought an electric grinder for rupees 1350. So cost price of the electric grinder is equal to rupees 1350, right? Okay. Now find its selling price. So what is the selling price that he has asked you to find out? So selling price of the electric grinder, okay, is equal to say X. Okay, it is question mark. So let us say X, right? And what is the selling price if it is sold at 14% profit? So profit percentage is equal to 14%, right? So with this as the data given to you in the question, let us try to find out the selling price. So what we are going to do is, we know that now we are going to write a direct formula connecting the selling price, cost price, and the profit percentage. Okay, so you are supposed to find out the selling price. So this formula you have to use: selling price equal to cost price times, now in the bracket I'll write 100 plus a profit percent divided by 100. Okay, now this is the formula for this is the formula for selling price if you want to find out the selling price. Okay, given that the profit percentage is so and so. So let us now substitute the values. Okay, so cost price given to you is 1350. So I'll write here 1350 into 100 plus profit percent is given to you as 14%. So I'll write 14 over here divided by 100. Okay, now this will work out to 1350 into 100, and 100 plus 14 will be 114 divided by 100. Okay, if you work out this 0 and this 0 gets cut. Now 135 into 114, 135 into 114, let us work out this. So 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 carried, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 4, 1 carried, 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, then 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, and 1 into 1 is 1. Then again 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, 1 into 1 is 1. When you add this, you get 0, you get a 9 over here, you get 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13 over here, 1 carried, 3 4 5, and 1 over here. So the answer that you get for this is 15390 divided by a 10, isn't it? Divided by a 10. Okay, so this 0 cuts and you are left with the selling price as rupees 1539. So therefore the selling price of the electric grinder has to be rupees 1539. That's the answer for this particular question. Okay, and with this we come to end of this particular question, first question. Now let us come to the second one. That is this one. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. So next question is, yeah. Find the cost price. Now this is question number 2. Today's question number 2. Find the cost price. So cost price is equal to question mark. Let me say X. When the selling price is equal to rupees 220, right? 220, and profit percentage is equal to 5%, right? So again, we are going to write the formula connecting uh, the selling price, the cost price, and the profit percent. And the formula is, we know that selling price is equal to cost price times, in the bracket it will be 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. Okay. Now if you plug in the values, cost price is X, which you have to find out. Selling price is rupees 220 into 100 plus profit percent is 5, so I'll write 5 over here upon 100. Okay. Now we want to find out this X, so we are going to make this X as the subject. So what we'll do is, this 220 I'm going to keep here only on the right hand side. This X I want to make the subject, so I'll keep it here only. Now what happens, this surrounding this X, you have this 100 plus 5 upon 100. Okay. Now let me write this as X into 100 plus 5 is 115 upon 100. Okay, that will also work. Now since I want to keep this as the subject, okay, this 100 and 115 onto, I will have to take on the other side. So to do that, what I'll do is, I'll take 100 on the top over here, and I will take 115 at the bottom over here. Okay, so it will be like this. Let me write this. If it is A equal to B into C upon D, now if you want to take this entire thing onto this side, left hand side, okay, then what you can do, keep A where it is, and this C upon D will become D upon C. Okay, this is how it works. This is what you have to study in your basic mathematics. Okay, so this is how the translocation will happen, and you will be left with X equal to 220 into 100 upon 115. Okay, now let us try to calculate this. Now 115 567. Okay, okay, it is ending with a 5, so let us take 5 as a factor. So if you take 5 as a factor, 5 2s are 10, 1 is remainder, and bring down 5, so 15, so 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 23, and here let me see if 5 goes, yes, 5 4s are is 20. Okay, 2 and bring down 0, so 24, 5 4s are is 20. Okay, so 44. 44 upon 23 you will get into 100. Okay, so your X will be equal to it should be 4400 divided by a 23. Okay, now if you work out this 44 divided by 23, you should get the answer as 209 209.52 to work out this. Okay, therefore the cost price will be equal to rupees 209.52. Fine. That's regarding the second question. Now just let me verify. I don't think there's anything wrong, but still 4400 divided by 23 should be equal to 191.30. Yeah, there's some mistake. Let us check out. Okay, so there's some mistake over here. This is 220 cost price. Is it 220? Yes, 220 into 100 upon 115, right? Now here some mistake has happened, so let us recheck it. One second. Okay, here you have 220 into 100 upon 115. Okay, now 220 if you divide by 5, you get 44, which is absolutely correct. Okay. 44 and 115 to divide by 5, you get 23. Okay, that's correct. So 4400 upon 23, 4400 divided by 23 should be equal to 191.30. I don't know why this book is showing the answer. Is it 5%? Yeah, 5%. That's correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, fine. Now, let me just recheck this question. Yeah, I got my mistake. It's not 115, it should be 105, right? This should be 105 because 100 plus 5 is 105. Here was the mistake. Okay, so I'll have to do this correction again. This will be 105, not 115. Okay, so let me do that. 105. Okay, now 105 divided by 5 should be what? Let me check it. 105. 105 divided by 5 will be 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are. So 44 upon 21 I am getting into 100. So it will be 4400 upon 21, not 23. It should be 21. And this particular 44 upon 4400 upon divided by 21 is equal to 209.52, which is correct now. Okay. So that was question number 2 of today's video, and now let us go to question number 3. Okay, this is the third question that we are going to do today. Okay, right. Now this question says that find the cost price of a scientific calculator that is sold for rupees 300. So I'll write question number 3. Selling price of the calculator is equal to rupees 300, that is given to you at a profit of 25%. So profit percent is given to you as 25%. Okay, now find the cost price of the calculator. So what will be the cost price of the calculator? Cost price of the calculator is equal to what? Let us take this as X, right? Again, here we are going to write the formula connecting the selling price, cost price, and the profit percentage. And the formula can be, now here we can use two formulas. Okay, as I told you, as we have discussed, you know, there are either you can use this selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100, or now here you have to find out this cost price, no? Cost price. So cost price ka formula is selling price into this 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. Both the formulas I have discussed in my previous videos. Okay, so either you use this formula or this. Now I'm going to use this formula. So cost price will be equal to selling price is given to me as 300 times 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent is 25. In this case it is this. So cost price will be equal to 300 into 100 upon 125, right? So this will work out to 300 into, now 100 and 125, so 25 into 4 is 100 and 25 into 5 is 125, so it will be 4 upon 5. Now this should work out to 6, 5 into 6 is 30, so 60 into 4, and 60 into 4 is nothing but 240. So I'm getting cost price is equal to rupees 240. The answer. Okay, cost price is equal to rupees 240. So I'll write here the cost price of the calculator. Cost price of the calculator has to be rupees 240. Okay, so 3 more questions we have covered in this video, and I think in the next video I'll be going ahead with other questions. So that's all for today. Goodbye, take care all of you, see you.